Today, we review the 5 best mini chainsaw cordless that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 5. The best mini chainsaw for wood cutting, camping, and pruning. Looking for a quality, yet affordable mini chainsaw? Look no further than the Amoonlive upgraded mini chainsaw. This powerful little chainsaw is perfect for a variety of tasks, including cutting wood, pruning branches, and even camping. The Amoonlive mini chainsaw is equipped with a brushless motor that increases lifespan by 300%, output power by 75%, and reduces energy consumption by 50%. This means that you can expect a smoother, more efficient cutting experience with less jamming and noise. The upgraded lubrication system is also compatible with various quality chain lubricants, making it easy to keep the chain well lubricated and extend its life. Powered by 221V 2.0 lithium batteries, this cordless chainsaw can run for up to 50 to 60 minutes on a single charge. The new battery indicator lets you know how much power is remaining at all times. And if you need even more power, you can use the 2 batteries alternately to provide continuous power for your cutting needs. Weighing in at just 2.2 pounds, this mini chainsaw is easy to control with one hand. Additionally, the compact design makes it easy to maneuver and store. Multiple safety features ensure that you can use this chainsaw with confidence, knowing that you and your family are protected. The Amoonlive mini chainsaw comes with everything you need to get started, including 2X batteries, 2X chains, 1 already installed, 1X toolkit, 1X charger, 1X brush, 1X file, 1X protective goggles, and 1X instruction manual. It also comes with a 12-month free warranty, so you can be confident in your purchase. Whether you're a new homeowner, an experienced camper, or a DIY enthusiast, the Amoonlive mini chainsaw is the perfect tool for your needs. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 4. Worx WG3 2020V PowerShare Jawsaw Cordless Chainsaw. The Worx WG3 2020V PowerShare Jawsaw Cordless Chainsaw is the safest saw around, thanks to its fully protective guard. When not in use, the blade retracts into the base, making it safe to use on the ground. With its innovative single-action cutting mechanism, you can easily cut through material up to 4 inches in diameter. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20V, 40V, and 80V lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. The Worx Jawsaw also features an auto tension feature that guarantees optimum tension at all times, as well as an automatic chain oiler with oil level indicator, which extends the life of the saw, the blade, the chain, and makes smoother cuts. The Jawsaw is also light enough to use overhead, weighing just 7.1 pounds. Without the battery attached. With a no-load speed of 1350 RPMs, it's one of the fastest in its class. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 3. The Amoonlive 8-inch Brushless Mini Chainsaw. The Amoonlive Brushless Mini Chainsaw 8-inch, upgraded handheld electric portable chainsaw, cordless chainsaw powered with 2 PCS 21V 3.0 battery, easy-to-use electric chainsaw for woodcutting, trimming. When you choose our expensive brushless chainsaw, you will get a professional product that can get the work done. Compared to chainsaws with brushed motors, this upgraded Amoonlive chainsaw offers 360% longer lifespan, 80% more power output, and 60% less energy consumption. With this solid and powerful brushless chainsaw, you never have to worry about jamming and noises. The long cutting length and high efficiency make it suitable for various working scenarios. The Amoonlive cordless chainsaw is equipped with upgraded lubrication system and is suitable for various quality chain lubricants. Just pour the lubricant into the tank and you can freely lubricate the chain when necessary, allowing you to cut wood and branches smoothly, contributing to a longer chain life and increased battery life. The newly upgraded chain tightness adjustment mechanism allows users to adjust the chain easily and quickly. The 21V 3.0 AAA grade Li-ion battery can be charged for over 500 times. The low-ion protection functions provide a stable battery performance. A battery indicator is added to display the battery status at all times. A single charge can provide 50 minutes of continuous operation. You can easily finish your wood, garden, and DIY projects with 2 batteries. The fast charger can fully charge the battery in just 1 hour. This cordless electric chainsaw weighs only 4 pounds. The compact design allows users to operate the tool with one hand. The multi-protections guarantee your safety during operation. This 8-in brushless chainsaw adopts an ergonomic design. The rubber handle can effectively reduce the stress on your fingers and wrist, which is especially beneficial for the elderly. The chainsaw is safe, reliable, and has passed CE/FCC/ETC certificates. All Amoonlive electric tools have a 12-month warranty with free repair and replacement to ensure that you get the best user experience. Providing our customers with the best warranty and protecting the interest of our customers are our goals. If you have any questions or recommendations for our products, please feel free to leave us a message. We will reach out to you within 24 hours to help you solve any issues. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 2. Sundura Mini Saw, one-hand portable, 4-inch cordless lithium electric saw. The Sundura Mini Saw is a one-hand, portable mini saw that is perfect for cutting trees and wood. It is cordless and battery-powered, making it easy to carry and use. The mini saw has a fast cutting speed and can cut through round branches with a diameter of 3.90 to 5.90 inches in just 10 seconds. It is also equipped with a high-quality guide chain that makes the cut smooth and even. The mini saw also has a safety lock switch and a splash guard to prevent wood chips from getting into your eyes. The battery pack is also very powerful and has a long working time. The mini saw is also easy to use and comes with the guide plate and chain already installed. If you are not satisfied with the mini saw, we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Number 1. Works WG32420V PowerShare 5-inch cordless pruning saw. The Works WG32420V PowerShare 5-inch cordless pruning saw is the perfect tool for pruning, trimming, delimbing, and bucking. The offset bar and chain provides improved line of sight, while the one-step toolless chain tension allows for convenient, fast, and easy chain tension adjustments. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20V, 40V, and 80V lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. The cordless chainsaw features automatic chain lubrication for hassle-free, efficient cutting with increased bar and chain life. The retractable bar and chain guard enhances undercutting capabilities, and the guarded handle design adds safety and security. The Works WG32420V PowerShare 5-inch cordless pruning saw includes the cordless pruning saw, WG324.9, bar and chain sheath, 20V 2.0 PowerShare battery, WA3575, and quick charger, WA3881. Here are some pros and cons we found to be interesting for you. It can help you to choose the right products and your importance. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.